I am Jessa Abaquita here at MJ Sound Pro Recording Studio. I would like to greet a happy birthday to Mom si Ham Jubel Urbano. Hope to see you soon and God bless. This song is dedicated to you, Mom Jubel, and from your husband, Omar. Hope you will like it.
I'm trying to hold my breath, let it stay this way. Can't let this moment end. You set off a dream in me, getting louder now. Can you hear it echoing? Take my hand, will you share this with me? 'Cause darling, without you, all the shines of 1,000 spotlights, all the stars we steal from the night sky will never be enough, never be enough. Towers of gold are still too little. These hands could hold the world, but it'll never be enough, never be enough. Spotlights, all the stars we steal from the night sky will never be enough, never be enough. Towers of gold are still